Good afternoon, and today we are going to be reviewing the Helmet Bro helmet from helmetbro.com, straight from China. See how it holds up. So what we will be trying first is hitting it with some 22 LR rimfire, seeing if it holds up to the weakest thing we got. We'll then hit it with a lever action 22 LR rimfire rifle that has a little bit more velocity if it doesn't penetrate. Right in the back of the head. Popped a hole right in it, looks like. And it went right through like it was plaster or something, like in the movies, like in the Western movies when they go right through the walls, right through this dinky helmet with a rimfire 22. So it's not rifle rated.
It's not even pistol rated.
It's not even, yeah. We could hit it with a 9mm, but it would be worse.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, if you look on the other side here, it came out his forehead. So this guy would have definitely been dead.
So this was the test of the helmetbro.com helmet rated for level 4, supposedly. Doesn't hold anything, probably even airsoft.